After a 5 a.m. start, it's taken me 2 hours to drive from Los Angeles to Joshua Tree National Park. In the middle of the summer, temps can get as high as 45 degrees out here in the desert, so I've decided to get ahead of the day. It's my first time out here at the Joshua Tree National Park. It's nice and cool this time of the morning. Now, there are 2 different hikes that I want to check out, both pretty easy to do and also really specky. The first is this one, the Arch Rock Nature Trail. Let's do it. One of the draw cards of the park is the diverse landscape, with this area covered with incredible granite rock formations. And the reason I've chosen this trail is because of the easy access from the campsite. And the whole trail is only a 500-meter round trip. This is such an easy walk. It only took me about 15 minutes to get here to the arch. It's something the whole family can do. And the payoff, look at that. It's just breathtaking. Onto my second trail. And this one is just a short 15-minute drive down Pinto Basin Road. Once you see the Cholla cacti start popping up everywhere, you know you are close to the Garden Trail. These Cholla cactus have been nicknamed jumping cacti because it's just so easy to get these little needles stuck into your skin, so don't get too close. Now, a tip for you, if you come here during mid-April, every single one of these little guys will be blooming with white and red flowers. Now, trust me on this one. No matter where you're headed in the park, make sure to allow 15 minutes to walk this short 300-meter loop. Walking amongst these cacti totally feels like I am on another planet. Time to head to downtown Joshua Tree for a little lunch. With around 2 million visitors to the national park each year, this small town is one of the last stops before entering the desert. And as it turns out, the Natural Sisters Cafe, the only healthy place in town, is also the busiest. With most of their organic produce sourced from the local farmers market, the Natural Sisters Cafe is the perfect stop for any adventurer looking to fuel up before taking on the park. You guys are so busy for such a small little cafe. What's going on here?
Well, free park day, and we're right next to where the park opening is. But all the tourists that come in for the free park days, I mean, we have tons of festivals out here. The Joshua Tree Music Festival, Desert Days, the yoga retreats. We're the only vegan vegetarian restaurant in the Morongo Basin. They all filter through here right before they hit the park.
Okay, and then what's the dish that you've got me here?
Right here you have a quinoa burger. We make this in-home. So your quinoa patty, we start with just the basics, brown basmati rice, quinoa, some roasted red peppers, organic shredded carrots, all sorts of stuff. We press together, bake, cut it up, and make it into a burger.
Time to say farewell to the desert and head to my oasis for the night. And after a big day, I've decided to treat myself and check into the Hyatt Regency Indian Wells Resort and Spa. Nestled amongst 18 hectares of lush gardens, this place is the perfect escape from the desert. This is the President's Villa, with loads of living space, massive master suite, plus a second bedroom, as well as a private yard and a plunge pool. The resort also has 9 pools, one of which is specifically for adults. But to be honest, the real reason I've chosen this hotel is because it sits on one of the top golf courses in California. And having just started getting into the game, I couldn't resist playing a cheeky 18 holes on their celebrity course. Par 3, 16th hole. Hopefully I can end my Joshua Tree adventure by landing on the green. All right, here we go. You guys keep an eye on the ball for me. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Just above the green.